Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Dose 24H. In this detailed tutorial video, we will walk through the complete Primavera P6 Professional installation procedure. This video is specially designed for beginners, planners, schedulers, and project management professionals who want to set up Primavera P6 correctly on their system. We will go through every step including setup, file access, zip extraction, installation initialization, setup configuration, and successful completion of the installation wizard. Now let's begin the tutorial. Now open File Explorer to access the Primavera P6 installation files. Inside this folder, we can see the Primavera compressed zip setup package. Now extract the zip file to access the Primavera installation contents. Select a destination folder to extract compressed zipped folder. Wait while the extraction process completes successfully. After extraction, open the extracted Primavera setup folder. Here we can see the Primavera installation files and setup application. Select Typical and click OK. Now ready to install Primavera P6 Professional. Files and setup configuration. Wait while Primavera P6 components are copied and installed into the system. Select Run Database Configuration and click OK. Select Add to Add Database Configuration by selecting Driver Type from drop-down option P6 Professional Standalone. Provide the short name for database for easy understanding and make sure to click on Add a new standalone database and connection. Then select Next. Enter the admin username and password for the database. And select Next. Set the database location. It's good to save in the same installation folder. Or add a new separate database folder. Click Save. Click Save. Alias is saved successfully. Click OK. Now close all setup screens. Primavera P6 Professional has now been successfully installed on the system and you may create shortcut on desktop screen. You can now open and launch Primavera P6 by giving password admin. And begin to develop project planning and scheduling activities. This completes the Primavera P6 installation tutorial. Thank you for watching this step-by-step Primavera P6 setup demonstration.
Daily Dose.